What does it feel like to be part of a great place to work? You feel like part of a family, surrounded by people who truly care about your emotional, physical, and financial well-being. You feel seen, heard, and valued for who you are, what you believe in, and what you bring to the table as your authentic self. You feel like part of something bigger with a sense of purpose. A purpose to shape a better tomorrow for our clients, our colleagues, and our communities. No matter your role or level, you feel empowered to think and act like a leader. You're trusted to innovate, to make decisions, and to be seen and heard. All while having flexibility in how you want to work. Because great places to work make every effort to support you in every possible way. That's why Crowe LLP is once again proud to be named one of Fortune's 100 best companies to work for.